after this course, because you've done 8 so far, how do you feel? Like, is your confidence higher?
Oh yeah. It's just, that's what I'm telling about. It's not about amount of tooth you take out. It's about the technique. You know how to do it. Technique is principles for everything is same. That you have to reflect the flap. You have to do the elevation. Then you keep going for the next cut. Then you do the elevation. Steps gonna be same. If you know that what you have to do, then it doesn't matter how many you. It's not like that. Anything surprise will come. That's the same bone, same anatomy. Everything is same. If you are going to stay with what you taught me, that these are the cases for you. You read your pano correctly. You understand how far you are from the nerve. You do your. I think the first 6 steps, which are the basis for a greeting. Second step is to ask them why they are here, how what brings you here, their pain scale, if they have any pain, evaluating the medical history, and then telling them about the X-ray. So my anxiety was gone. Not only there, my anxiety was gone that I'm doing something which I can troubleshoot. So after that, it's just applying the principle. So it doesn't matter you're doing 8 or 18.
Was it worth it? Was the course worth it?
Oh, 110%.
Thank you.
You're so awesome. I learned so much.
Well.